Drop Contact's starter plan runs €79 a month, and that's a single user plan. Adding a teammate costs extra. And if you actually want it synced into HubSpot, Pipedrive, or Salesforce, those CRM integrations are billed as separate annual subscriptions on top. So the real setup cost is higher than that first number suggests. LinkFinder AI takes a different path. It connects directly into the AI tools you already use, no separate integration product to buy. Before we start, go to the video description and click the first link to access LinkFinder AI. Then create a free account by clicking Start Free Trial. No credit card needed, and you get free credits to start. Here's a basic lookup. Give LinkFinder AI a name and a company, Sarah Johnson at Salesforce, and it finds her LinkedIn profile directly. And when you're working a list instead of one contact, switch to Upload CSV Bulk. Drop in your file, and LinkFinder AI enriches every row the same way. No separate list processing tier required. Now here's the part Drop Contact makes you pay extra for: real tool integration. Grab your MCP server URL from the API access page. No OAuth setup needed. Then in Claude, go to Connectors, add a custom connector, name it LinkFinder AI, and paste that URL in. Once it's connected, you can just ask Claude directly. Watch, I ask it to pull Bill Gates' LinkedIn profile, and Claude uses the LinkFinder AI connector to return his title, location, and full work history straight in the chat. No separate CRM plugin, no annual add-on contract, just a URL you paste once. So that's the real difference. Drop Contact charges extra to plug into the tools you already use. LinkFinder AI just plugs in for free. If you want to try it yourself, the link's in the description, and you get free credits to start.